how to send a friend request to someone on Facebook if there's no option available. This tutorial shows you how to troubleshoot when the Add Friend button is missing. First, open the Facebook app on your device. After that, go to the person's profile using search. From there, check what button appears where Add Friend would normally be. At this point, if it shows follow instead, that usually means their privacy settings only allow followers, not direct friend requests. In the next step, tap on follow if that's your only option, since some people restrict friend requests entirely. Following this, if no button appears at all, they may have blocked you or restricted who can send them requests through their privacy settings. Once done, check if you have any mutual friends by scrolling down their profile. From here, if you do, consider reaching out through a mutual friend or a message instead, if messaging is available. At this stage, keep in mind Facebook also temporarily limits sending new friend requests if you've sent too many recently, as a spam prevention measure. Keep in mind, waiting a day or two sometimes resolves this if it's a temporary limit rather than a personal restriction from that specific person. Finally, try refreshing the app or restarting your device in case it's a temporary display glitch rather than an actual restriction. And that's it. If this guide helped you understand what to do when there's no friend request option on Facebook, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.